Precious Memories. Janine, binalikan ang dating bahay kasama ang nobyong si Jericho. Nagbahagi ang kapamilya actress at multi-awarded star na si Janine Gutierrez na mga lumang larawan nila noong nakatira pa sila sa Bataan. Ayon pa nga sa naging caption ng dalaga. Been shooting in Bataan the past few months and went on a little road trip on a day off to visit our old house when I was a kid, when Papa used to race in Subic. My heart, apart forever here. I am older now than my parents were during the time we had this house, and I don't know how they pulled it off, but this was such a great time. Thank you Mama and Papa at Munching Guts at Miss Lotlot de Leon. Agad-agad namang nagkomento ang nobyo ni Janine na si Jericho Rosales Official. You guys on roller skates. Chippy Rip Chip and the Honda. Agad-agad naman itong sinagot ng dalaga at sinabing, at Jericho Rosales Official, thank you. Makikita sa mga ibinahaging larawan ang mga throwback photos at syempre hindi mawawala ang present photo nila ni Eko kung saan dinalaw nga nila ang lumang bahay na tinirahan nila. Pinagkaguluhan naman ang naturang post na ito ng mga netizens. But why don't you get married? Married each other. At Jericho Rosales Official. Hi, Ekonin at Janine Gutierrez. Love you, good vibes. At Janine Gutierrez, Slide 11. Rollerblades with you during race weekend. The best, you're doing amazing. At Janine Gutierrez, now we are the ones in our 30s. If you ever find yourself in New York City, please let me know. Would love to host you guys. What about in Sweden at Janine Gutierrez? Slide 4, Super Kilig. We love you, Ekonian. Wow, my DJBB. Thank you at SJCAA for recovering my pics. Love you. At Janine Gutierrez, you're welcome. Best time, precious memories. Gusto ko lahat ng pics pero ang number 4 ang the best kilig. I love you Janine. Love you, my happiness for life. Love seeing how you spend your day. Thanks for sharing Janine. I am glad I got to suggest your weekend vlog. The pics are amazing. Looking forward to a vlog at Janine Gutierrez. Those weekends are great. Hello, Miss Pretty Janine Gutierrez. Familiar place, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. Love your life. My happiness. The best fam. You're so beautiful and blessed. Just love your attitude of gratitude. Always thankful. Love you, Nini. Thank you for sharing your childhood memories, Nini. Nostalgia feels. Wow, nag-rollerblades ka as a kid. Cool. OMG, I was just gonna say you need more of you and your digicam. I've missed posts like this from you, thank you. In her digicam era, nice pics. Next vlog, riding a horse naman with Eko at Janine Gutierrez. I remember my first beach trip to White Rock, Subic. Back in 90s, had a blast with my office mates. It was one I could never forget. Tour. Post brings back memories and makes me long to see families I haven't seen for more than 2 decades. Thank you. I might get lucky next year. I hope to see you and Echo when do make it. She's leaving her digicam era. O diba? Kahit naman mga netizens ay tuwang-tuwa sa ipinoste at throwback photos ni Janine na yon, at syempre hindi mawawala ang kilig sa present photo with Jericho Rosales. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.